What's up, guys? So I've got a cool one for you. This is a sponsored video, and it's sponsored by Jeremy. Okay, he has a 3D printing company, G&J Prints. Design, prototype. He custom builds RC stuff. 3D prints them. So he's designed car and he has sent me that. He sells on his shop different 3D printed Lipo cases for your soft packs. He has some that fit Tamiya cars, so I know there might be some of you out there interested in those. He has some specific to, my 2S little 1100 milliamp CNHL batteries, but very cool. He sent me this chassis roller, right? It doesn't have the wheels on there, but it has electronics. It has a Mabuchi 540 Tamiya motor in here, stock silver can, and servo, and you've got the ESC and receiver is a 2-in-1 combo from High Boxing. He sent me 2 radios, and I mean, just check out how cool this is. It's like primarily all 3D printed. These cars, I think he said, is the Destroyer. His idea for them is a garage, small parking lot type of thing for a Demolition Derby cars, right? So he sent me 2 to test out, review. Things break, maybe I could have some fun with my son, and we could demo them. If you're wondering, this right here is where the battery goes. That's your battery case up top. He sent me a ton of spare parts if anything were to break. We got arms, gears, axles, like everything you need is in this bag. And again, this is kind of a test. It's not that if you were to buy this for yourself, it's not going to come like this. It's just kind of some prototyping. He doesn't even have it on his site yet, although it's very close to launch date. He even 3D printed the wheels and tires. Like, one of those look really awesome, and they feel pretty good to me. It's soft plastic. I don't know. I think they're going to be pretty decent. He included this body for one of the cars. It's an ABS plastic. I've never worked on an ABS plastic, but he said it's pretty easy to cut out and drill the body holes. So this is kind of what we're working with right here. It's going to be really cool. I'm excited for that. But as I'm sure a lot of you know, these plastic parts get very brittle in the winter. So timing has been tough because I got it. It was my son's the day before my son's birthday weekend, and we were out of town for that. We went to Legoland in New York because he wanted to go to Legoland, which, I mean, awesome birthday idea for a young kid, right? It's not too far away from us. But these 3D printed plastics probably shatter very, very easily in the cold. I know, like I said, I've got this, I do have this huge parts, so I'm not too worried about it, but at the same time, I don't want to take it out and break it instantly. So I thought about running it, you know, as is type of thing. But I've decided, you know, I'm gonna cut this body, I'm gonna paint it with the kids, get it all ready, get it done right before I get and test drive this. This is just kind of an unboxing. Here are 2 other sizes of these Lipo battery cases, and this one with the rounded, that's kind of your standard nickel metal hydride battery pack that you would use with the Tamiya kit. So this fits, you know, as expected in a Tamiya buggy, right? So if I get like, I don't know, 2S 2200, 2600-ish range milliamp Lipo, I could put it in this case, and then it will fit right underneath, just like a standard nickel metal hydride would. Very cool. He does sell those on his eBay store, so I will link his eBay store. He is going to have the cars for sale once he finalizes these last couple touches on his website, and he's also going to have the plans that you could buy from a 3D printing website. I don't know exactly that website, but I'll get the information for you. But I just wanted to unbox this all. So thanks again, Jeremy. I'm so excited about this. It's a really cool idea, and these just look amazing. Like, yeah, I mean, these parts, they're solid. You know, I could tell they are going to break on impact, which is why he says, get you a part bag and let's do some demolition derby. Let's have fun with it. He actually said he got decent speedruns on this. He was going to join in on the speedrunning challenge, but decided against it just because, you know, he was having a hard time getting good footage of it to showcase the car. But it's so cool. I mean, even this little hot rod, I guess, body shell is pretty cool. I can't wait to get this built, right? Get it finalized. You know, I have essentially 2 cars here. I only have the one body, I think. Yeah, there's only one body, but that's okay. I'm sure I could find another body that will fit this design. Check out Jeremy's eBay page, his website. If you're not into a 3D printed demolition derby car, check out these Lipo cases. That's really nice. You know, a lot of times soft pack batteries, I don't know, they make me nervous. They get punctured by a rock or something, they're no good. Or the sizing doesn't fit right into your car, right? You might have like a 1/16 car and the battery, you can't go too big because it doesn't fit in the battery tray, so you go smaller, but then it's a little too much room. So check it out. Thanks again, Jeremy, and I can't wait to get this out and running for you guys. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to be a series where I kind of go through this process. So up next is probably to cut this body and paint it, and then I'll get a running video. And then after that, probably a thoughts and review after I've done it all. So cool series to look out for over these next, I don't know, hopefully not too long, but winter could be a challenge, so we'll see. As always, thanks for checking this out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.